बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू इंग्लिश कीज़ डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इस वीडियो के अंदर हम लेसन नंबर 13 इंग्लिश ग्रेड 11th बुक 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। द टाइटल इज़ गॉड बी प्रेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ दैट व्हाट वाज अबुल्स फुल नेम। अबुल्स फुल नेम वाज मौलवी अबुल बरकत। And question number 2, what was his turban known as and where did it originally come from? So his turban was known as Mashhadi lungi and it originally came from Mashhad in Iran. And what did he always carry with him? He always carried with him a walking stick which was bedecked with bands of silver and brass. Describe Maulvi's appearance. Maulvi की appearance कैसी थी? Maulvi had bulging eyes. He wore a turban on his head. He always carried with him a walking stick and he wore studded rings on his fingers. नगों वाली अंगूठियाँ वो पहनता था. And how much did the Maulvi collect on every Eid? He collected 150 to 200 rupees on every Eid. And how much was distributed among the needy and the poor? Out of the collection of 150 to 200 rupees, he distributed 40 to 50 rupees among the needy and the poor of the village. And what was the name of his eldest daughter? तो उसकी बड़ी बेटी का नाम मेहरुन्निसा था. What was the name of the member of the district board where the Maulvi lived? The name of the member of the district board where Maulvi lived was Chaudhry Fatehdat. And write the names of the other two daughters. The names of the other two daughters of Maulvi are Zabda and Shamsun. And how did Shamim Ahmad come to marry Mehrun? Nobody could restrain Shamim celebrating his marriage any way he desired. So he came to marry Mehrun amidst दरमियान में fireworks with musicians playing gay tunes. Gay tunes जो खुशी की धुनें होती हैं. Who was Chaudhry Fatehdat? Chaudhry Fatehdat was member of the district board where Maulvi lived. तो ये हमने लेसन नंबर 13 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर लिए हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ लेसन नंबर 14. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.